this tutorial for your branch. Okay, how you see, we are developing all our code in our main branch. That is, previously it's called the master branch, now its name is the main branch. Okay, so when main branch is only for production publish. Okay, so developer don't has access in the main branch. Okay, so how can you create branch? Every feature is best practice to create a branch for every feature. Suppose you are working as a login flow, some developer working as a registration flow, someone is working some bug fixing, some working is a forget password. Every feature you need to create a branch. Okay, so you team A working is login working branch, and team B working another branch is a forget password branch, and team C developing is some bug fixing branch. You need to code pull push in your branch. Okay, so after the work is completed in your senior or project manager, then review your code and merge the code in your main branch. Sometimes a large company or is a best practice, before move the code in main branch to another branch also present there. One is for SAN branch or staging branch, and another branch for testing purpose. Okay, so after developer complete their code, uh, the project manager check the branch, and if everything is perfect, then he or she move the code in a staging branch, and after staging branch they move the code in the testing branch. Okay, so testing team, if they see everything is perfect, then the automation process, the code comes in the main branch for production release. Okay, so in Git scenario, you must create, if you are working alone, then you also a best practice not to touch already a stable code. Okay, so you create a branch in your development environment, your machine, local repository. You created branch every feature and update your code this way, then the possibility of any error arise is very low. Okay, so now I am showing you how can I create branch. Git status. Okay, git checkout hyphen v for login branch, login feature. I created a branch for login feature. Okay, so I add some HTML file, and uh, it's called login view, and save the file login.html, save it. Okay, I created a branch and now move to the login branch, and status, see some file added in login html, and now I commit again. Login view added. Now I push our code, git push origin not main in login feature branch. Okay, now in your repository you see two different branches present there. The one is the main branch and another is for login branch. Okay, so everything is tested and everything is complete without any error. Then your project manager check out in your main branch and merge your code with the login feature branch. Okay, the code is merged. Then now git push origin main. You see, now the work is come to the main branch also. You see the page login HTML is come after the job. You need to release your software in version 1 release. How can you this this how can you done this work? You see, inside the branch there is another menu tab is the tag. Okay, so version 1, we now generate our version 1 in our source code, release version 1 code. So I search git tag version, git tag version, git tag and dev.io, tag message is git tag with a message. Tag with a message is very good. And in our main I created tag git push origin main. Yeah, now you see the version 1 is released in your production server. Oh, sorry, some problem. Push tag v1.0 git push origin. Okay, the tag version tag now comes there. If I refresh tag, yeah, our v1 release, yeah, you see one tag release version is present there. You can now download this release and use this release in your production publish. Okay, so here you learn how can you add a tag in your version control system and how can you add a branch in your git repository. So not more for git. Okay, thank you for joining my course, and next course is very fantastic course is coming, that is for Ubuntu Linux. Okay, bye bye.